Dear friends, we are sending you our kindest regards from the Czech Republic. My name is Lukáš and I'm going to tell you what will be on our menu today. We are going to show you how to prepare traditional dishes from our region. Valachian sauerkraut soup called kyselica and potato pancakes called bramboráky. Kyselica used to be served as a rich breakfast for men to have enough strength to work hard in the forest all day long. Moreover, this is the best way how to get rid of hangover after celebrating New Year's Eve or traditional Valachian fair Fashang, which is held annually in February or March before Carnival. This word carnival is derived from carne levare, which means taking away of flesh. People do not eat meat and drink alcohol for 40 days before Easter, and that's why Fashang is their last possibility to feast. This period is called Lent, and now we are in the middle of it. Vojta will tell you how to prepare the soup. Vojta, are you ready?
Of course I am. Look at me. Now, hello everyone and listen carefully. For cooking, we will need 3 to 4 potatoes. We have little, so we have more. 500 grams of sauerkraut. 200 millimeters of sour cream. 100 millimeters of milk. 1 sausage. 100 grams of bacon, 1 onion, also salt, 1 spoon of flour, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 4 pieces of allspice, 2 to 3 bay leaves, and pinch of caraway. If we have all the ingredients, we can start cooking. As first, we will peel the potatoes. This is going to thin. Then take a knife and dice them into small pieces. And then take the potatoes, spill them into pot with water, add some salt and caraway, and then boil it. Anyway, cooking is so tiring. Well, Veronica, can you please continue? I need rest with my British tea with milk. So, for now, bye!
Yes, I'm ready to take the bait. Hello our seventh friends, my name is Veronica. You can see that Vojta is a bit lazy, so I will show you how to continue cooking this delicacy. We are already boiling the potato. Now take 4-liter pot, fill it 1 liter of water, add sauerkraut, spice, bay leaves, and salt it. And boil it. Potatoes are almost ready. Put them together with the water, the sauerkraut, and add a mixture of milk and flour. Stir it carefully. Dice the bacon, add onion and sausage. Let's add bacon into the saucepan and fry it for a while. Then add this side onion and sausage and keep stirring. As it fries, add a teaspoon of paprika and keep stirring for a few seconds. Mixture into the soup and switch it off. Add sour cream and stir it. Well, the soup is ready. What about the pancakes, Sabina?
Hello, my name is Sabina, and I'm also ready and keen to show you how to make them. They're simply delicious and really easy to make. We will need half a kilo of grated potatoes, 2 eggs, 50 to 100 grams of flour, 3 to 5 cloves of garlic, 50 milliliters of milk, some oil, a bit of salt, pepper, and marjoram. Pour the milk onto the grated potatoes and mix it. Add the eggs, flour, pepper, and marjoram. Crush the garlic and mix it with salt. Then add it to the mixture. Put some oil onto the frying pan and heat it. Pour the mixture onto the frying pan and make potato pancakes. And now we can serve them. Boys, what do you think about our cooking?
Hello, my name is Deněk and I have just poured a nice portion of kyselica which Veronica has prepared. To be honest, it is my favorite soup and we always have it on my birthday. I am really curious how this one tastes. Yummy. Well, once again, for this soup you need 3 or 4 potatoes, 500 grams of sauerkraut, 200 milliliters of sour cream, 100 milliliters of milk, 1 sausage, 100 grams of bacon or smoked chicken for our Muslim friends, 1 onion, 1 spoon of flour, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 4 pieces of allspice, a pinch of caraway. Peppa, have you tasted the potato pancakes yet?
Hello Zdenia, I'm not Peppa, I'm Honza. And you are enjoying the soup so much that you've forgotten my name, haven't you? I understand. I also like kyselica, and I can't wait to taste these potato pancakes. Bambaraki. They are golden, crunchy, beautiful smell of garlic and marjoram. Now let's revise the ingredients. We need 500 grams of grated potatoes, 2 eggs, 50 to 100 grams of flour, 3 to 5 cloves of garlic, 50 milliliters of milk, oil, salt, pepper and marjoram. We also use bambaraki as a side dish with the mixture of small strips of meat, fried with red pepper. We call this food a bear bucket because we fill the pancakes with the meat mixture and it looks a little bit like a bucket. Good luck with your cooking and enjoy your meal. Dobrou chuť, bon appetit, davy je sládko, izbaudiet matity, bukrati vade masa, afet also. We hope you enjoyed our cooking and that you will try our recipe soon. Goodbye!